Hi, let's learn today the French main colors. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips and you'll be able to practice with a simple exercise. Let's get started. Bleu,
Bleu,
rouge,
rouge,
jaune,
jaune,
vert,
vert,
marron,
marron,
noir,
noir,
blanc,
blanc. More colors.
orange, violet, rose, gris. You also can be more specific and tell if the color is dark or light. For example, bleu foncé, bleu clair, or marron foncé, marron clair. Also, remember that colors agree with the noun. Les chaussettes bleues et vertes. Les chaussures noires et blanches. Let's finish off with a simple exercise. Just try to complete the following sentences. Please let me know your answers in the comment section.